Thank you for purchasing a Phoenix phase converter. Please follow these short clips to troubleshoot your installation. This must be performed by a licensed electrician. Do not leave on to test, just on and off to test the voltage just a few seconds. Converter with start and stop button, use T1 and T2. Converter with NL model, use L1 and L2. Turn the converter off. The single phase disconnect in between the circuit breaker panel and the phase converter. Turn the phase converter on for a few seconds. Power off the converter. Check power at the main circuit breaker panel. Turn the phase converter on for a few seconds. Turn it back to off. This is where the voltage drop happens, need to increase wire size or needs to be a shorter distance. Check the voltage, remember to shut it off if it does not start. Power on the converter just a few seconds. If the generator comes up to speed, it's okay to let it run. If the generator is not up to speed, turn it off immediately. If your voltage is dropping at the disconnect, then proceed to check at the main breaker panel. If the voltage does not drop at the main panel, add bigger wire from the panel to the disconnect. Here is an example of your service is too weak. Check at the phase converter panel on T1 and T2 or L1 and L2. Voltage still too low at the disconnect. Remember, turn the phase converter on. Check the voltage, then back off few seconds. Voltage still dropping at the circuit breaker while turning on the phase converter. Turn the phase converter off, just a few seconds. Transformer too small, upgrade your service.